Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cryptocurrency with Coinbase, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin managing cryptocurrency with Coinbase, first, visit the Coinbase website or download the app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home page, click on the Get Started button. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification message. After verifying your email, log in to your Coinbase account. Next, you will need to add a payment method to facilitate transactions. Click on the Payment Methods section under your account settings. Choose between linking a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Follow the prompts to securely connect your chosen payment method. Once your payment method is set up, you can start buying cryptocurrency. Navigate to the Buy, Sell tab on the main dashboard. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase from the list provided. Enter the amount you want to buy and review the transaction details. Click on the Buy button to complete your purchase. Now that you have cryptocurrency in your account, it's important to understand how to store it. Funds will automatically be stored in your Coinbase wallet. For added security, consider transferring your cryptocurrency to a personal wallet. To do this, go to the Assets section and select the specific cryptocurrency. Click on Send and enter the address of your personal wallet. Verify the address and the amount before confirming the transaction. You can also track your investments using the Portfolio feature. This section provides an overview of your holdings and their performance. To convert or sell cryptocurrency, return to the Buy, Sell tab. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell and enter the amount. Review the transaction fees and confirm the sale. If you want to monitor market trends, check the Prices section for real-time data. You can set price alerts to notify you when a cryptocurrency reaches your desired level. Regularly review your investment strategy to adapt to market changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.